Check this place out. This is going to be a free firewood score, but not completely free. It's going to be some work. I've been on the hunt for some firewood logs. Somebody posted up on Facebook that they're clearing a lot, had a bunch of logs on it, come and take whatever you want for free. So I just kind of scouted this property for the first time, and they've just got like piles of jumbled up stuff everywhere. A lot of what's in here is poplar. There's a little bit of oak and a little bit of maple. So I'm going to be kind of fishing through here. I'll take poplar, I'll burn it, and you know, the people that I sell to who mostly burn in their backyard fire pits don't mind that stuff at all. So I'm going to have to cut through some of that to get to the better stuff. And what I'm going to start on today is right here, a couple poplar logs, one nice oak right in the middle of that, and then behind that are a couple nice oaks, but I'm going to have to work back there. I've just got my truck because I didn't know what kind of access this property had, so it won't take long to fill the truck up. And then when we get back to the farm, I got a couple things I'll show you there, and we're going to have a big splitting session. So follow along, it's going to be a fun one. That is all my little truck's going to carry. It's squatting pretty good, and I recently installed, I didn't do a video of this, but I recently installed some little helper springs on there, and they do really help with sag, but that's a lot of weight for this truck. So I'm going to go over to the other side of the property. The owner actually stopped by while I was cutting. He's got an excavator here on site, but he's got to go away for a little bit today. But he said if I cut some of the bigger logs into longer lengths, he can pull them aside and stack them for me, so it'll be a lot easier to work on. So there's a couple big oaks that I saw over there. The rounds are actually probably going to be bigger than I can pick up. But if I can come back with the trailer and he can load me up, that would be pretty awesome. So I'm going to go over there and cut on that now. this right here is exactly what I didn't want to do. And this log is really close to popping and moving this way. That out of there. We'll at least save the bar. I don't know if we'll save the chain. I think we managed to save the chain. I can't see anything bent. Made it back home. Those helper springs are working overtime, but that's a good little load for my truck. It's about 2/3 poplar, 1/3 oak maybe. And last video, I split a whole bunch of maple. I said I was up to my eyeballs in maple. I still am. I've got a couple of stacks of maple all around my property. But after I shot that video, I did get out that same night and I cut up some more. So I've got some blocks over here on the ground. I've got some blocks stacked up on the splitter there, and I've got more over here, and then I've got everything in the truck. So I think we're going to have a nice little splitting session here, push this through, and then probably go back over to that other place. I don't know if I'll get there today, but go back over to that other place and get some more of that. Since I know there's plenty of room to move around there, I'll take my trailer. I'll be able to fit a lot more in one load, and we'll just keep building the inventory that way. So let me get the splitter fired up. We'll get to work. If you don't subscribe already, hit that red button just below this video if you want to see more of our videos in the future. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. That helps us out and will help YouTube introduce us to other people who like similar kinds of videos. So appreciate that. That, my friends, is just about exactly 1 hour of splitting. It would have been faster if I had somebody help load, but that was all me right there. If this is your first time checking out the channel, thanks for stopping by. I am growing a firewood business here, trying to build this inventory as quickly as I can so that I can sell as much as possible for this season, but it's probably too late at this point to get any seasoned oak out the door unless I can find some logs that have been sitting around for a little while. But if I'm chopping green oak, that's all going to be for next season. So that's part of the reason why I'm focusing a lot of energy into getting as much elm and maple and poplar and birch and other of those softer hardwoods that will season this year and dry out nice and good through our hot Virginia summers. But guess what? Now I've got some stacking to do. So I'll work on that, and then I have a couple other things around the farm I'm going to be doing, and I'll fill you guys in on some of that on a future video. But for now, I'm going to wrap us up. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.